show that the altitude is height of right circular cone of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 4r by 3. It means here is a sphere, radius is r, radius of the sphere is r, that is fixed. Whenever one figure is inscribed in the another figure, the outside figure dimension is constant. Okay, here inside the sphere cone is inscribed. Various sizes of cone can be inscribed. Okay, but the outside geometrical figure, that the sphere dimension is constant. Means radius of the sphere is constant. Only the dimensions of the inside figure, means the cone, the dimensions of the cone are variable, means its height and radius are variable. Okay, height of the cone h and radius in this case I have taken it as capital R are variable, not the radius of the outside figure, that is the sphere, radius of the sphere is constant. Let R be the radius of the sphere, R is constant, outside figure is constant. CA is equals to h, CA is equals to height of the cone, and AB is equals to radius of the cone, right? Radius of the cone, both are variable. So AB is equals to radius. The base is in the circle shape, its radius is r, and CA is equals to h, height means altitude. Is equals to r, AB is equals to r, is the radius of the cone, and CA is equals to h, height means altitude. Altitude means height of the cone. H and R are variable here. So inside, okay, what it is, the figure is having variable dimension because various cone can be various size of cone can be inscribed. Among all the cones, one cone will have the maximum volume here. So among different cone inscribed, ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಜಿನ ಕೋನನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ತುಂಬಬಹುದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋನಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಕೋನ್ ಅದು? we have to prove that cone will have the maximum volume where its height means altitude is equals to 4r upon 3. Height of the cone h is equals to 4r upon 3. That cone will have the maximum volume. Okay, that we have to prove. We have to prove that by taking volume is maximum, we have to prove that height h is equals to 4r upon 3. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋನಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕೋನ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? height of the cone, altitude of the cone is equals to 4r upon 3. R in the radius of the sphere, outside sphere. Okay, so that will be true. Volume of the cone formula, volume is maximum is mentioned, therefore take the volume equation 1 by 3 pi r square. R is the capital, R in the radius is taken because small r is the radius for the sphere. Okay, radius of the sphere is taken as smaller, therefore let us take capital R in the radius of the cone. Then two variable r and h are the variables will be converted to single variable. So here it is. So consider the right angle triangle OAB. So what is OA actually? OA is equals to CA minus OC. OA is equals to CA minus OC. What is the CA? H. OC is radius, smaller radius of the sphere because O is the center. Okay, O is the center of the sphere. O is the center of the sphere. O is the center of the sphere. Okay, therefore OC is equals to R. OC is equals to R. Therefore 1 by 3 pi. Here from the triangle OAB, OB square is equals to right angle triangle. OB is the hypotenuse. OA square plus AB square. What is the OA? H. Here it is mentioned. OA is equals to CA minus OC. CA is H. OC is radius. Therefore it is H minus R the whole square plus AB is R square. Okay. Now expand A minus B the whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square plus this R square. Okay. Then r square cancels. Therefore, h square minus 2hr plus r square is 0. So 2hr plus 2hr minus 2hr shifted to LHS plus 2hr, h square is shifted to LHS minus h square is equals to r square. Therefore, this r square is taken as 2hr minus h square. Now, that is the main point of maxima and minima. So, what quantity is maximum or minimum is given. For that one, you have to take the expression, mathematical expression is to be taken, formula is to be taken, and in that formula, it should have single variable. Right hand side, two variables are there, r and h. By using the geometry or by using the given information, the two variables are to be converted to single variable. That the 2 points are to be remembered in the statement problem. All students are getting difficulties in these type of problems. So that is the but. Keep 2 points in mind. First one is write down the equation in the problem. Which quantity is maximum or minimum is given. That expression for that quantity is to be written. And that quantity, if we have two variables in the right hand side, two variables are to be converted to single variable by using the right angle triangles or given information. For example, sum of two numbers is 30 means x plus y is 30 means y equals to 30 minus x. So y is converted to x like that. So here using the right angle triangle, we have converted r square into h. Okay. Totally everything is in terms of h, single variable. Small r is constant here. Radius of the outside figure is constant. Therefore, 1 by 3 pi into 2h is multiplied. Now, instead of using the product formula, let us multiply. That is the formula of sum and difference for differentiation. The h is multiplied. 2h into h is 2h square. H into h square is h. Now, differentiating with respect, I know that with a single variable in the right hand side, that is h. R is not a variable. R is constant. It is mentioned. I repeat, whenever one figure is inscribed in the outside, second inscribed in the another figure, the dimensions of the outside figure is constant, only the dimensions radius, height, length, breadth, width of inside figure is variable. That's why here r is not variable, r is constant, only h is variable, differentiating with respect to the variable. After converting into single variable, so differentiate the function with respect to the single variable, differentiating with respect to h. Now dv by dh is equals to 1 by 3 pi constant is taken outside. Whenever plus or minus is there, you have to differentiate with respect to each and every term is to be differentiated with respect to that variable. Therefore, 2h square r is to be differentiated. In that one, 2r is constant taken outside. D by dh of h square minus d by dh of h cube. When plus or minus is there, function is in the form of plus or minus. We differentiate each and every terms. Okay, by taking constant outside. Now 1 by 3 pi 2r, h square differentiation with respect to h, 2 into h raised to 2 minus 1, that is 2h. But there is 2 differentiation, 3 into h raised to 3 minus 1. D by dx of x raised to n is equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. Very basic formula of differentiation. First year is also studied, in second year also it is mentioned. Number of times, there are about thousands of times we got the differentiation of x raised to n. Each and every time I am repeating d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, still you are not having the idea of d by dx of x raised to n. It is really unfortunate. It is 1 by 3 pi, 2 into 2, 4hr into minus 3h square. Volume is maximum. Either the function is maximum or minimum. The common condition is first order derivative is 0 for both. Maximum is there, then also first order derivative is 0. Minimum is there, then also first order derivative is 0. Therefore, dv by dh is 0. 1 by 3 pi, dv by dh is here now. 1 by 3 pi, 4hr minus 3h square is equal to 0. A into b is 0 means either a is 0 or b is 0. Therefore, 1 by 3 pi equals to 0 is not possible because it is constant. 4 into x is 0 implies 4 is 0 is absurd, x is equals to 0. Only the part which is having the variable will be 0, not the constant is 0. Okay. So therefore 4hr minus 3hr square, 3h square is 0. 4hr is equal to minus 3h square is taken to that side. That is plus 3h square minus is shifted to that side, minus will become plus 1h cancels, hr keep it as it is, separate h and r by cross multiplication. 4r upon 3, this 3 is cross multiplied, is equal to h square upon this h. Cross multiplication is taken. R and h are separated. H square upon h, when it cancels, therefore h is equal to 4r upon 3. What we have to prove here? The same we have to prove. So show that the altitude, look here, altitude of the right circular cone of maximum volume of the cone is maximum. That can be inscribed in a sphere. The cone is inscribed, placed inside a sphere of radius r, or in the radius of the sphere, is 4r by 3, means altitude is 4r upon 3. If all these statements are removed, simply what we have to prove, show that the altitude is 4r upon 3. That is altitude h is equal to 4r upon 3. What we have to prove? That one we got. And for maximum, second order derivative should be negative. So one point we have to prove. dv by dh is equal to ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, therefore altitude is equal to altitude, because we are given volume is maximum. Volume is maximum means you have to take dv by dh is no need to prove. The volume is maximum is not the point to be proved. Therefore there is no need to show d square v upon dh square is negative. The point here is by taking the volume is maximum, it is given. By taking volume is maximum, we have to prove h is equal to 4r upon 3. Therefore there is no need to prove d square v upon dh square is negative, because it is given in the problem. If you have to prove volume is maximum, then you have to show d square v upon dh square is negative. But it is not like that. The problem is by the given point, that is volume is maximum, we have to prove h is equal to 4r upon 3. Volume is maximum is given in the problem. No need to prove volume is maximum. If you have to prove volume is maximum, then you have to show that second order derivative is negative. Therefore, there is no need to prove the second order derivative is negative. Okay, it's a waste of time. Second one. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. Okay, so here is a square. Second problem. Now, phone ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಫೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ನೋಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Here is a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. A practical problem. You can use this particular problem in real life also. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. So this is the 18 centimeter. Let us take the square piece of tin. ABCD is a square piece of tin. Then AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All are equal to 18 centimeter. Okay. AB is equal to BC is equal to AD, CD is equal to AD, all are equal to 18 centimeters. Okay, given a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box. How to make it a box? Without top, means open box. Top should not be there. By cutting a square from each corner, means so here is square piece is removed from each corner. A square piece of equal size, length is x, breadth is also x, equal size is removed. A square of same size from all the 4 corners are to be removed. 4 ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪೀಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್, ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ನಿಂದ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪೀಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ವಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವಿಂಗನ್ನು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ 4 ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ವಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡೆಡ್. here also it is folded, here also it is folded, here also it is folded, then you are getting a box. Okay. Like that, a box has to be formed. Now, without top, by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form a box. What should be the side of the square to be cut? Just square na ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. What the length of the square to be removed? Side of the square to be removed. We have to work out what is the side of the square to be removed. What size square is to be removed is the question. So that the volume of the box is maximum. And the box volume is quantity to filling the quantities. The more quantity of should be filled, so that the volume maximum is the more quantity can be filled inside the box. So having volume maximum market. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಡಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವ ಸೈಜಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ is removed, this length will be how much? It is telling me totally 18. One side x, another side x is removed. Therefore, this part is 18 minus 2x. The volume of the box length will be 18 minus 2x. And breadth will be ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? It is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 18 ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x ಹೋಯ್ತು, 2x ಹೋಯ್ತು. Therefore 18 minus 2x. The length, base, breadth and width of the box is 18 minus 2x. Therefore ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 18 minus 2x. The volume will be ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 18 minus 2x the whole cube. What is the volume of cube? 18. and cube shape ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ actually ಅಲ್ವಾ. Breadth will be same, length will be same, means it is height will be same. Therefore the volume of the cube is 18 minus 2x. Okay, 18 minus 2x ಆಯ್ತಾ. But I'm sorry, no. So the height will be x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Height will be ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ height ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್, ಇದು ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ x ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ, ಆಗ ಈ height ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The height of the what it is box will be what it is ಇದೇ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೀಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. You are folding like this. Therefore the height of the what it is box will be x. Length will be 18 minus 2x. Breadth will be 18 minus 2x. But height will be x. It is not in the, it will be in the cube shape. So length and breadth will be same, but height will be x centimeter. So volume equation is to be taken. Which is maximum is mentioned, volume is maximum. Therefore volume equation is to be taken, and you should have single variable, then differentiate with respect to that single variable x. Take dv by dx is 0, then you will get an expression for x. Okay. 1 minute. Volume of the box. Volume let side square of sides. Squares of side x centimeter is to be cut from 4 corners. From 4 corners. 4 corners. Therefore, volume of the box. Volume of the box. V is equals to length into breadth into height. Just imagine, okay? I have explained how it is 18 minus 2x. This is totally 18, no? This is totally 18 centimeter. Out of that one x, and here x is removed. How much remains? 2x length are removed. X 18 minus 2x. Therefore length is 18 minus 2x. Breadth is also 18 minus 2x. And height will be x. This because this flop is remaining. That is folded like this. Therefore height will be x. Now better to multiply it. It will be equals to 18 minus 2x the whole square into x. V is equals to 18 minus x the whole square. 18 square is to 324 minus 2ab, 2 into 18, 36 into 2x, 72x minus x, sorry, 4x, sorry, plus 4x square, again a minus b the whole square, a square, 18 square, 324, 2ab, 2 into 18 into 2x, and 72x plus b square, 2x the whole square, 4x square into x. To avoid the product formula, I have taken the expansion. Otherwise, you can differentiate it as it is within the product formula. You need to be able to do it. It is 324x minus 72x square plus 4x cube. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay. dv by dx is equals to 324. Whenever plus or minus is there, you have to differentiate each and every term. Only one variable is there now, x. Hello? Yes. ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ there is no difficulty of converting it into single variable because already volume is in terms of single variable. 324 into d by dx of x, 1 minus 72 outside d by into d by dx of x square, that is 2x, plus 4 outside d by dx of x cube, 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, 3x square. Now plus or minus is there, you differentiate each of the terms. Therefore dv by dx is equal to 324 minus 144x plus 4 is 12x square. Volume is maximum. Given that volume is maximum, therefore take dv by dx is equal. Take given that volume is maximum, ನೀವು ಈ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು 5-6 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 5 marks or 3 marks question. Therefore, you will have plenty of options for 5 marks and 3 marks. Therefore, you can leave this section. This section is between hope. Given that the volume is maximum, therefore dv by dx is equals to 0. Therefore, 324 minus 144x plus 12x square is equals to 0. Therefore, quadratic equation of dividing by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು x ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. So, 12 dividing by 12, I think 144 divided by 12, 2s are 24, then 8 left, division by 12, division by 12 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 12 2s are 26, then 8 remains, 6 remains, not divided by 12, 12 2s are 24, 8 remains divisible by 8 means 84, it is 12 8s are, 12 7s are 84, 27 minus 12 12s are 124 plus x square, means x square minus 12x plus 27 is 0, 27 1s are 24, 7 27 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 12 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ 27 into 1 is 27, by splitting 27 you should get minus 12, that's equals to minus 9 minus 3, minus 9 into minus 3 is 27, minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. Factorization, 6th standard mathematics. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಓದಿರಿ. It is x minus 9 into x minus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 9 or x is equals to 3. X is 9 is removed. What happens? X is equals to 9 is not possible. Is not possible. ಯಾಕೆ? If x is equals to 9, ಈ ಕಡೆ 9 cm ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 9 cm ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, 18 ಕ್ಕೆ 18 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಹೌದಾ? Not possible because 2x is equal to 18 implies no box will be formed. Okay? No material will left out for box. No box will be formed. Box will not be formed. Okay? Box will not be formed. Okay? Therefore, x is equals to 3. The answer is x is equals to 3. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 3 cm ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 3. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 9 ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 18 cm ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಇರೋದೇ 18 cm, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ 9 ಆ ಕಡೆ 9 ತೆಗೆದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 0 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೇನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. Therefore, x is equals to 3 cm is the answer. No need to prove second order derivative is negative because ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ಗೆ 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you are getting negative. Second order derivative is negative is volume is maximum. ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ. By given that volume is maximum, we have to prove we have to get the value for x. Okay, volume is maximum ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೀನು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಇಫ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ is maximum is to be proved, then you have to show that second order derivative is negative. Otherwise If the volume is maximum is given in the problem, no need to show second order derivative is negative. That's the point. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ